Auto Collision is a program that teaches students about refinishing a car and bodywork. From rebuilding to finishing touches like pinstriping, students in Auto Collision are able to learn all of the techniques through hands-on projects.
When we get people that come through, I tell them that our program's split up into two portions. We're split up into the non-structural, which is bodywork, straightening, body filler, that kind of thing. And then I tell them the other section is refinishing, which is painting, masking, prepping, making the car look pretty. I mean, that's kind of what our program does. Like, Auto Tech will fix the car for you, we'll make it look good.
I think anybody that steps through the door of the shop would be surprised to see how excited the students are about learning. I think a lot of times parents are used to their kid coming home and not being real excited about what they learned that day. But one big thing that every single parent has told me is my students' attitude has completely changed about school. They used to not like it, but now they love it. They come home every single day talking about your program, about what they learned in it, and it's really rewarding.
Learning the proper way to get rid of a dent is like really important, because everyone has a car, and you can help people out, like in my family, because that's what I've been doing. Like everything I learned here, I can put outside.
I love the hands-on experience about it. I really get a lot of time in the paint booth, which I love. I really get a lot of time on the cars that I want to work on. Really picking my projects and being able to pick what I work on is really nice.
And I was really excited because I've always been a car fanatic since day one. And I know I could implement that in my high school. And it just sounded like a great idea because, I'm learning what I love.